Down your debt. I can't hear you guys.
Bringing down your debt.
Now, come on, louder than that. You guys can speak. All right, all together now.
Bringing down your debt.
And this means you gotta fine-tune your goal. And by fine-tuning it, you gotta turn your goal into a smart goal.
Part is like I get to show, like I get to be like a geek of business. And more about investing and loyalties and more about financial literacy than I've already learned in class.
Yes, the better your credit score, the cheaper it is for you to borrow money. Okay, that's very important for you guys that want to buy houses and cars and all that stuff.
No. For this total expense?
It is 310.
You guys go, and then, yeah.
What is keys to budgeting?
That is correct.
I liked about the money hub is that we learned about money.
What I really liked is that I wasn't here for the past 3 days, and in the fact that those 3 days that I wasn't here on the last day, I learned so much, and I feel like it's gonna help me in life because I'll know how to handle my finance and how to handle my credit card, and I just did not know how to do that before. So I think it's really good.
Yeah, I like the money hub. It's fun.
That's good. What?
You messing me up right now.
Hey, it's a team effort, guys. Consult with each other.
Yeah, what's up, man?
Money Hub, which is an interesting app and organization that helped us, learn about these important terms that, we hear every day, but we may not know what they mean necessarily. So today, we got to actually go into what those things mean and how they apply to our future lives, and when we become college students. So.
Yeah, it was very helpful. There were many terms, like he said, that I knew about but didn't know much details about, and it kind of broadened my ideas on how to budget and how to save up.
And it was very optimistic, very positive. I like the vibes in the room, and I learned a lot, and I want to give card too.
Yeah, I definitely agree with Mabana. This workshop was very informative, and a lot of the times in school they be like, in the future, make sure you save up your money, but nobody actually teaches you how to manage and save your money. So this was a great opportunity.